My name is Maria Hjelmseth Aune, and I am the Center Coordinator for Center for Digital Life. I already had the pleasure of talking to many of you over email the last couple of weeks, but it's so nice to see all of your faces now here today. So again, welcome to you all. In this session, we will get to hear our members talk about our center, and also we will get to hear some external speakers talking about responsible research and innovation, as well as industry involvement. But first out is my fellow coordinators, Dr. Gunnar and Dr. Tove Evjen, who will talk about our networking project.
Is the microphone working? Good. Okay, dear audience, it's great seeing you all here today, sharing your interest in the Center for Digital Life Norway. I'm Tove Evjen.
And I'm Gunnar. We will give you an introduction to the Digital Life Network project, present our ambitions, key approaches, team and organization.
Today we see great opportunities for what biotechnological research may hold for the future. New technologies enable novel insights and open new doors to research and innovation.
Some of these new technologies delivered large data sets in a short time. A familiar example is DNA sequencing. We are no longer talking about genes, but genomes. When it comes to proteins, we are not talking about one single protein, but proteomes. And in the cell, we are not looking at one signaling event, but a dynamic network of signaling events. But big data sets are not only generated from the lab. The digital age is cross-cutting, increasing the data feed on all areas. Biotechnology is moving into an era where data handling and analysis are fundamental to succeed.
To answer these challenges, different competences must come together. A range of disciplines are needed: biology, medicine, statistics, mathematics, engineering, social sciences, among others. These competences must work together, not alongside each other. We also need business competence to make potential solutions and products from research concepts to the market.
As the research activity will impact our common future, we will foster responsible research and innovation by engaging and inviting the society to answer: what type of research and innovation do we want? How do we conduct our activities? And what are our values and premises?
Our ambition is to create more value from biotechnology, as there are untapped resources within medicine and health, aqua, agriculture, and industrial biotech in Norway.
DLN aims to create a strong, coherent and national platform, engaging researchers across institutions for interdisciplinary research and innovation. We will create an operative center, which will catalyze development of best practice research and education in Norway.
By communicating our activities, having events, and producing results, the center will promote visibility both nationally and internationally.
Much of our current effort will be to develop a long-term plan to achieve our ambitions. Management of the center is executed through the networking project. The team consists of experienced scientists leading the work groups, supported by coordinators. The DLN grant funds 5 coordinators, while the 3 founding institutions contribute an equal amount. Together, we will form one united center.
Now we will briefly present the work groups of the networking project. The center is led by Trygve Brautaset, and center coordinator is Maria Aune. They are both located here at NTNU. The focus is to ensure solid leadership and governance of the center.
Integrated with the management is a resource group for supporting responsible research and innovation actions. The group is also securing a knowledge-based approach and incorporating competences on responsible research and innovation into the center. The work is led by Heidrun Aam at NTNU. There are two coordinators, Asle Kiran and Anna Delgado. But at the moment, Anna Delgado is on leave, so Roger Strand and Nora Våge is also joining this activity.
Innovation from research is central within the DLN concept. Kjetil Tasken at the University of Oslo is leading the work group Innovation and Industry Involvement, together with myself as a coordinator. The objective is to promote innovation from DLN. Now, much of our focus within this first year is to conduct an analysis of the bioeconomy within the digital life sector that describe features and challenges. We will develop a network of industry, TDOs, and other relevant stakeholders. Our first stakeholder meeting will take place at Gardermoen at the 17th of June. And if you wish to participate on this meeting, please contact me.
The center will also be a national arena for education and training of the next generation scientists in biotechnology. Olav Haraldseth is heading training and recruitment. Focus will be to arrange activities directly aimed at junior scientists. An executive committee is already formed to establish the DLN PhD school, and the PhD school coordinator will be recruited.
Handling and analyzing data is an essential part of DLN. This action is led by Inge Jonassen at the University of Bergen, supported by a research group of experts, a coordinator, Rune Kleppe, and a postdoc who is under recruitment. The work group will assist project in getting access to necessary infrastructure and competence. They will also create arenas for exchanging of expertise and experience.
Inreach and outreach communication is a necessity to build the center's identity and visibility. Kjetil Jakobsen is leading the action together with myself as coordinator. The main objective of this work is to promote communication, visibility, and facilitate interaction with industry, decision makers, and the wider society.
This is our governance structure. We have now outlined the networking project and the center leadership. Today, DLN is a center with 6 large research projects, and these projects and the networking project are represented in a project leader forum. In addition, we have the DLN board and a scientific advisory board.
DLN will be an including center. We believe that collaboration and sharing of expertise are key factors to success. Through a partner forum, we hope to include stakeholders and researchers that take an interest in the DLN. We are currently working on the terms and inclusion mechanisms for partnerships. Also, as we already heard, the number of research projects will increase as there soon will be a second call from the Research Council.
Now, there will be challenges ahead. It's important that we manage to collaborate despite of geographical distances. And we need to create our own identity and a working culture where we share, include, and contribute.
So the take-home message is that with resources, talented researchers, and support from interested and engaged stakeholders, we will succeed. Thank you.